Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Niro EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth and climate-controlled, driver and passenger heated cushion, driver and passenger heated seat back. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.